If you struggle with SQL, you're in the right place. My name's Austin, and I break down SQL problems and make them easy to understand. Today, we're going to tackle a Leetcode problem that's listed as easy, but actually only has an acceptance rate of 61%. To jump out right off the bat, when you're looking through these problems, is we're going to see the largest single number. So that lends me to think that we're probably going to do some kind of max here, or at least an order by, and then only looking for ones that appeared once. So probably some kind of count is what we're going to be looking at as well. You can take a minute and pause here if you want to read the problem in more detail. But let's go ahead and jump into the problem. So we know we're going to be selecting the number from our table. And then we're going to add in here, I'm going to add in just for visualization purposes, the count of each number. So we're only going to want to see ones that are count of 1. So we're going to add the count of the number in there. And anytime we use an aggregate function, we got to add a group by, because otherwise we can't count the numbers if we don't have the number to go by. We're going to have a group by, and then we only want to show ones that have count of 1. So this is a quick run of the code. It's not going to solve the problem, but it's going to give us a look at the data. Here's the sample numbers that we're inputting. There's also 6 there not shown. And then here's our output. So we're showing the 4 numbers that have a count of 1, but we actually don't even need to show that count. So I'm going to take it out here, and we have it in the having clause, so it really doesn't need to be in the select clause. So this is the data set that we want to choose from. We know that there's 4 there. We could try max num here. We're going to show the max of that, but honestly, it's going to show the max of each row. So it's going to give us the exact same thing. Instead, we want to make this into a subquery. Really, all it says is we're going to pull from that as our new table. So if we pull the max num from this new subquery, this should give us what we're looking for. And the answer here would be 6. This does give us 6. It still says the wrong answer. That's because we titled it wrong, and Leetcode needs you to name the titles the right name. So run it again, and boom, accepted. We have 6 here, and then if there's not any, just like in case 2, it pulls out null. Simple as that. If you like content like this, give me a follow. And if you've got a SQL problem that's been bugging you from either work or practice like Leetcode, drop it in the comments, and I'll try to get to it in my next video.